Well, good Friday evening, everyone. It's John coming to you live from Executive Auto Detailing from our brand new facility located right here just off of Highway 80 in Martin, Kentucky. We wanted to hop on very quickly and show you a VIP bumper to bumper detail that we just completed on this 2017 model Chevrolet Explorer van. And wow, what a nice vehicle that this is. Has low mileage on it, but it was in desperate need for a complete bumper to bumper detail, and that's exactly what our team has done here at Executive Auto Detailing. Before we get started on going over the details about this VIP bumper to bumper detail, I do want to mention that this was a large job because of the size. Give me 1 second here, please. Because of the size of this vehicle. So our team has been on this van for 2 days. Every single one of the seats were removed. And there's 8 seats in there? 2, 4, 6, 8 seats in the van. The interior of this thing is absolutely amazing, absolutely gorgeous vehicle. So as we do on all of our VIP bumper to bumper details, we will start off with the engine compartment. The engine compartment, as all of our VIP bumper to bumper details, receive a complete engine bay detail. So you can see that all of the components of the engine are absolutely spotless and cleaned up very nicely for the client. Our team here at Executive Auto Detailing does an amazing job making sure that every little place on the vehicle is completely spotless. Up under the hood area, no exception, this area on all vehicles gets very, very nasty and does need to be cleaned up. So our team makes sure that up under the hood area is left really clean and looking great for our clients. Again, we're covering a VIP, let me shut this hood down, a VIP bumper to bumper detail on a 17 Explorer van. So moving along to the front bumper of this van here, we do want to mention that all of the chrome on this unit, the chrome accent pieces have been polished. So the chrome here on the front, the chrome going down the side, all the badging on the vehicle was also polished. Now it has been a while. This van we have detailed for this client. This client's out of Pikeville, Kentucky. We have done it before. It's been a while, so it came in to us with a few bugs on it, just due to the fact that we have not had it here in a few months. So we made sure that all those bugs were removed as well, all the way up onto the windshield, and then of course the top area up here on top where those bugs collect. It looks great and cleaned up very nicely. Moving along to our tire and rim area, the tires did receive one of our outstanding tire gel applications. All of the chrome wheels have been polished and they are looking absolutely amazing. Moving along to the paint, guys, check that out. You can actually see another truck setting back in our shop here. Turned out absolutely wonderful. This unit was fully clay barred from bumper to bumper, so it did receive a clay bar application, and then it was also received 2 cleaner applications, chemical clean, and then also a buff and 2 applications of wax. So check it out. Absolutely looks amazing. Just a brilliant shine back to this 2017 model van. Moving along to our interior, dashboard area cleaned up very nicely. Every air conditioning vent, cup holder, center console area, everything all cleaned up very, very nicely. I'll open up the back doors here in a minute. It'll add a lot of light so you can see the interior. All of that area cleaned up very nicely and looking great. Moving down to all of our carpets, they were shampooed with our carpet extraction machine. We have just an outstanding carpet machine that does a wonderful, wonderful job with some very hot cleaning chemical that we use, and the carpet extraction machine does a wonderful job. All of the door jambs cleaned up very nicely, all the way up under the doors here, as we do on all of our VIP bumper-to-bumper details, left spotless for the client. Even the carpet area here on the door shampooed as well. Taking a look here in the back seat, this unit does have 4 captain's chairs here in the back seat area. All of them were completely removed, as well as the main back seat back there, and then all of the carpet from one end to the other of this van completely cleaned and looking great. All of the leather did receive one of our outstanding leather care applications, so all of that leather seating has been cleaned and looks great for the client as well. Excuse me. And then all of the carpets, as I mentioned, has been cleaned and shampooed for the client. If I can get good enough lighting here for the iPhone, which I'm making the video with, you'll be able to see just how clean that we left those carpets here in this van. Absolutely spotlessly clean. Now, all of the carpets, again, are clean all the way up under the seats because every single seat in the van was removed. So, all the way up underneath, we removed every single seat. This has been a 2-day project for our team here at Executive Auto Detailing. A huge van and absolutely gorgeous. Our team was talking about how nice this unit would be to take a trip in. It's just a very, very nice vehicle. Excuse me. Moving along here to the back, again, you'll see where we left off here, or where we continued our cleaning rather, with the carpet. Carpet's cleaned up very nicely all the way around our door jambs. Everything spotless all the way around. Looks absolutely wonderful. Again, those doors around the door jamb area there looking great as well. And then taking a look here, moving down the driver's side, looks very nice. Guys, check it out. A wonderful, wonderful, very brilliant shine, depth back to the paint. That's what we like to see here at Executive Auto Detailing. Wonderful job. Outstanding. I always mention on our videos, I would love for our clients or our people that are viewing these videos to be able to touch the paint and the surface of these vehicles, because it is incredibly slick and a smooth finish back to it. So absolutely wonderful. We'll take a quick look here at the driver's side. Again, that dashboard area cleaned up very nicely. Everything is spotless. The brake pedal, the gas pedal, and the emergency brake all cleaned up very nicely. We make sure that all of our brake pedal, gas pedal, emergency brake on all of our VIP bumper-to-bumper details are cleaned up nicely. It's a pet peeve of mine. I hate to see a vehicle leave a detail shop without those being spotless and looking great for the client. As we back away here from that area, you'll be able to see just how clean those carpets are, looking great. Again, every seat removed. The carpet accent pieces here on the door were also cleaned as well with the carpet extraction machine. The steps on this unit fold out when the doors are open, a lot like what you see on Tahoes or Yukons. So all those have been cleaned, not just the top surface of the board, but the bottom surface as well. You'll see a little spot right there and right there. It's just a little surface scratch. It is not dirt. It's been scratched. It is a 2017 model, does have a few scratches here and there, but for the most part, a very, very, very nice unit. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous van. like I said, brought to us from a client in Pikeville. We'll shut these doors here and we'll cover a couple other things. Again, taking a look here at this Brilliant Shine, absolutely a gorgeous vehicle, and our team has done an absolutely outstanding job on it. I still have to look to see how many hours that we have, but we've got 2 days invested in this unit and the full VIP bumper-to-bumper detail, just because of the extent that we went to of taking all the seats out, making sure that it was spotlessly clean, and then putting the seats back in. Guys, we appreciate those of you who take the time to watch our videos from Executive Auto Detailing, and we definitely appreciate those of you who take the time to share them out for us. Thank you for doing that. We definitely appreciate that. If you are interested in booking a detail with us here at Executive Auto Detailing, please feel free to give us a call here at the office at 606-791-5353. Again, that number is 606-791-5353. We are open Monday through Saturday. Our details are only by appointment. They're by appointments only, so please be sure to keep that in mind. Next week, I think we're supposed to have 10 dry, sunny days, so praise the Lord for that. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous, so we're very, very excited about that here at Executive, and I know that it's going to be very busy next week, so if you're wanting a detail from us here at Executive, please reach out to us and get that booked as quickly as possible. For most of the time, we only do one full detail per day, and it's because of the extent of the detail that we do here at Executive. We're not like a lot of detail centers where you just get a vehicle. We try to get 15, 20 of them in and out in a day. We do not do that here at Executive. Our work is very thorough, so we only do 1, maybe 2 vehicles per day here at Executive Auto Detailing. So very important to keep that in mind. If you are interested in one of our 5-year ceramic applications, actually, we do a 1-year, a 3-year, or a 5-year ceramic application. Please feel free to give us a call here at the office. We'll be glad to go over that information with you as well. We can also go over paint corrections. Oh my goodness, there's several packages that we offer. We do inside and out, quick details only. Please call me if you want to get one of those scheduled. We can do that as well. I can go over the pricing with you on all that information. You call us anytime here at the office, and we'd be glad to go over that with you. Guys, God bless you. Have a wonderful and very blessed weekend. I hope that everyone that's watching my video has plans to be in church on Sunday morning. We love you. God bless you. We'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.